wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cleaning machines for hardwood floors. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Bissell PowerFresh 1940 makes it easy to get into tight spaces thanks to a pivoting head and swivel steering, which eliminates the need to move furniture around. The built-in scrubber removes dried-on messes fairly easily too. It offers 3 steam levels and includes 2 fragrance discs. However, the cap on the tank can break easily. At number 9, the pursteam thermapro is more than just a floor polisher, as it can also steam clothes, clean carpets and restore furniture, all for a relatively low price. It isn't outstanding at all of these though. It's ready to go in 30 seconds and comes with a flexible hose for handheld use, but it's not ideal for large areas. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Shark Pocket XL creates a jet of steam every time you push it forward, which means there are no complicated or tricky settings to deal with. The microfiber pads it uses are washable, so you don't have to buy replacements all the time. It's equipped with a convenient quick-release cord and uses very little water. However, it can be hard to push on some surfaces. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cleaning machines for hardwood floors, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Bissell Spinwave Powered comes with 2 sets of pads you can swap out depending on what kind of mess you're dealing with. There's a soft pair for gently polishing wood and rougher ones for scraping up old messes. It features an on-demand spray button and a heavy base that provides friction, but it does tend to leave a little residue. Moving up our list to number 6. As the name makes abundantly clear, the Light and Easy 7338 is both lightweight and easy to use. The 20-foot cord gives you plenty of maneuverability, while the ergonomic handle won't cause cramps even if you use it for an extended period. It leaves little water behind and heats up quickly, however the head could be bigger. Halfway up our list at number 5. There are no cords to get tangled up in with the Homitt scrubber, which is a battery-operated model that can move from room to room freely. It's very light too, weighing in at less than 3 pounds, even with its convenient extendable handle. You get 2 types of pad with this one, and it's operated by a simple on-off foot switch. But the 10-ounce tank is quite small. At number 4, for those working in an office or a retail store, the oreck Commercial Orbiter can make buffing large areas a breeze. The pad oscillates at 175 RPM, so you don't have to spend too long on any one spot, while the 13-inch cleaning path can manage large chunks of floor fairly quickly. It works well on vinyl and tile and can be operated with one hand. It features a random orbital motion. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Dupray Neat Steam blasts floors with superheated steam at up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that any microbes are killed. The large tank has a built-in funnel to make filling a breeze, but it can clean for nearly an hour before a top-up is necessary. It doesn't require any special pads and is equipped with a retractable handle. It's relatively lightweight at 9 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cleaning machines for hardwood floors, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro is a multi-surface option that can tackle everything from tile to area rugs and more. It can vacuum and wash at the same time and offers 2 tanks, so the dirty water doesn't mix with the clean. It comes with a microfiber and nylon brush, a filter to catch hair and other debris, and a docking tray. And taking the top spot on our list, you won't need any harsh cleaners that could damage your floors when you use the Shark Genius Steam Pocket. This robust model blasts steam at stubborn dirt, loosening it without using any chemicals or strong abrasives, and the absorbent pad then lifts it away. It includes an ample 22-foot cord, and it's intuitive to operate. It's good value for the price. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cleaning machines for hardwood floors, or simply click beneath this video.